Guys, we will be showing you some dances.
So we're gonna have to put it over by the TV because we're doing it by the TV.
And
Like we can.
we will be showing you some dances. Here's some things that we made up. I like to call this the backwards L.
And I'm just gonna be on my little mini board doing cool tricks. I wish you guys could see it, but really you can't right now. Bro, you don't know how to skateboard.
Break that hurt.
Fun fact.
Axolotls can reach. Grow.
One fact, do not ride a skateboard in the house.
Yes.
One fact. That's one fact. And you guys are probably...
Let me get him out. Come on, get him out.
Oh, you want to fight me?
Huh?
Bro, do you know how to fight?
Rock solid. You're trying to hurt me.
Alright, let's get into the dance by scratch. Bro, let's get into the dances. We gotta copy off the TV. Wait, we don't even have a freaking remote.
Lol.
Yeah, but that makes it more cooler if we have the music.
By the way, guys, check out the hood.
Whoa! What the frick? You want
The hood.
Okay,
Sorry, guys. I guess we're
probably like doing too much.
Yep.
We made more videos in the future.
You guys have. We will make more videos.
Well, we have, but now we're copying off the TV.
What
Dude, what the frick is on the?
Do you know what
We will be listening.
B is for? Big Chungus.
Guys, don't listen to him. He's just dumb. We are gonna. But stop.
What did you say about me? What did you say about me? Huh?
Roxanne.
No.
Getting that from YouTube.
No.
Bro, stop. We're gonna do Roxanne. No, it's not. Roxanne is not inappropriate.
Hold on.